Do you feel like you don't speak enough Russian? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Does it look like scary? This movie is so scary. Этот фильм очень страшный. I shouldn't say it with a smile on my face, but big. I love watching большой балет. You know? You cannot say it's big ballet. Literally, the people who likes ballet, they know that there is a very famous ballet in Moscow, which is called большой балет. Большой балет. So you cannot translate it as a big ballet. You have to still say it большой балет. Okay? Let's go watch большой балет. For example, bring me that big basket. Принеси мне эту большую корзину. Принеси мне ту большую корзину. Быстрый. Fast and quick is the same. In Russian is быстрый. Run as fast as you can. Беги так быстро, как только можешь. Беги так быстро, как только можешь. Sometimes when the people want to rush you and do something really quick, they can tell you, быстро, быстро. Like quick, quick, fast, fast, move, move, you know. Быстро, быстро. Move your legs. Медленный. Why are you so slow? Почему ты такой медленный? It's not that simple. Все не так просто. I like this skirt. It's very simple. Мне нравится эта юбка. Она очень простая. Высокий. You're so tall. Ты такой высокий. Or you can say, giraffe is so tall. Wow. Жираф такой высокий. Main menu. Or you can also use this adjective for like meaning that there is a person higher than you. Like, for example, your boss or your manager, executive manager, somebody like that. So you can ask, when you want to ask who is in charge here, you can ask, кто здесь главный? Which means, who is the main person here? I need to talk to, like, the boss of the boss. So, who is in charge? Кто главный? Strong. I'm not that strong. Я не очень сильная. This singer has a very strong voice. У этой певицы очень сильный голос. My nose is too long. Мой нос очень длинный. His hair is quite long. У него довольно длинные волосы. He was so kind to me. Он был очень добр ко мне. Меня зовут. My name is. So, when you meet someone for the first time, as we probably talked about it before, you say your name. We can practice. Hi, my name is Katyusha. What's your name? Oh, nice to meet you. Maybe you don't really want to discuss your age, but if somebody asks you, you should answer, for example, 18. Мне 18 лет. How old are you? Сколько тебе лет? I'm 102 years old. Мне 102 года. Be careful with Russian because, as you just noticed, I didn't say лет, but I said года. Years can differ from which numbers do you use. It depends on which age you say. So be careful. Tricky Russian, yay! So I enjoy or I like is мне нравится. And then you can say what you like. I enjoy playing computer. Мне нравится играть на компьютере. I like going out. Мне нравится ходить по клубам. I like shopping. Мне нравится ходить по магазинам. Or I like you. Ты мне нравишься. Or you can say my hobby is. Мое хобби – рисовать. My hobby is to draw. My hobby – икебана. Привет, я Катюша. Приятно познакомиться. So you should try saying, you say hello, привет, and then you say your name, and then nice to meet you. Приятно познакомиться. The friendly you will be ты, and the polite you will be вы. So when you want to emphasize on someone being friendly, and you just met, you say приятно с тобой познакомиться. Nice to meet you as friendly. And nice to meet you as polite will be приятно с вами познакомиться. Okay, so just a small little touch for you. Hope it's gonna be useful. Я из Америки. I'm from America. Я из России. I am from Russia. Я изучаю русский в течение года. Okay, how long have you been studying Russian, huh? I hope you're progressing with me. Я твой учитель. Or you can say a feminine way. Я твоя учительница. Я учительница. You just say, oh, I am learning Russian on RussianPod101.com, of course. Чем ты занимаешься? Hi, what do you do? Привет, чем ты занимаешься? What do you do can mean what are you doing now, right now? Like you come back home and say, oh, what are you doing kind of thing. Or you can just say like you're asking someone what kind of job, work they're doing in their life. So it can be useful. Okay. As the word darling, you can say when you are referring to someone as your girlfriend or your like dearest friend who is female, your mother, your sister. One is for your girlfriend and one is just for dearest woman in your life. It doesn't mean you are dating your mother, which is awkward. I mean, darling, could you pass me the bread? So, дорогая, подай, пожалуйста, хлеб. Где вы живете? Where do you live? Где вы живете? Где? Where? Вы. Do you live? Живете? So, well, it's used only in fairy tales. As soon as fairy tale story starts, you will always see once upon a time, жили-были grandmother and grandpa. And they had a cute baby, whatever. Здравствуйте! Hello, everyone! Every time you see someone you don't know, you just say здравствуйте or здравствуйте. So it's big bell, колокол. So you ring the bell for religious people to come to church, or you ring the bell when something is wrong so people can hide in the church in old times. Now, I'm not sure if we still do that, but maybe some churches still do that. So yes, the bell. Ring the bell. Позвонить в колокол.
Want to speak real Russian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at RussianPod101.com.
Человек. The tricky thing with this word is that in plural, it changes completely. So one man is человек, and many men is люди. Have you seen this man? Вы видели этого человека? Вы видели этого человека? Сказать. To say. Я хочу сказать. I would like to say, and then you keep saying what you want to say. The boss said, blah, blah, blah. Начальник сказал, and then you keep going what exactly he said. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый means that something is good. So people are wishing you something good in the day when you wake up, when they meet you at school at the daytime, or like in the evening. But usually you say привет, which is hello. Рука, hand. One hand, two hands, руки. Give me your hand. Дай мне свою руку. Дай мне свою руку. Знать. To know. I know what you know. Я знаю, что ты знаешь. Я знаю. I know. Ты знаешь. You know. Как вас зовут? What's your name? So first, when you see a stranger, you have to say Здравствуйте. Как вас зовут? In Russia, we show this for money. Деньги. So if you see somebody showing you the sign, it means they want some money from you. Give me some money. Дай мне деньги. Дай мне деньги. Хотеть. To want. Я хочу. I want. What do you want? Что ты хочешь? When you meet anyone, you know, you wanna ask what? You wanna ask, how are you, right? So sometimes instead of hello, you just go, how are you? Как дела? Привет, как дела? Literally, how are your things going? So now you can make a conversation. Голова. One head is good, but two is better. Одна голова хорошо, а две лучше. Одна голова хорошо, а две лучше. Стоять. I had to stand in a train for 2 hours. Мне пришлось стоять в поезде 2 часа. Пожалуйста. Please. Or you're welcome. The difference in please and you're welcome is just the way you say it. For example, Mom, please, I don't want to go to school. Пожалуйста, мама, я не хочу идти в школу. Which we can hear every morning. Or you can say, present, an iPad from my friend is like, спасибо. And they go like, пожалуйста. Like, you're welcome. Pay attention to which word you're using. Смотри за словами. Смотри за словами. Maybe it's not very literal translation, but it means watch your mouth or something like that. Жить. To live. When you introduce yourself and you want to say where you live, exactly which city, which town, which country, or like which district. So, я живу в Москве. I live in Moscow. Or you can say пока-пока, which means bye-bye. Call me next week. Позвони мне на следующей неделе. Позвони мне на следующей неделе. What do you like to eat? Что ты любишь кушать? Что ты любишь кушать? Я хочу заказать. I would like to order something. Я хочу заказать салат. I would like to order salad. You made up your mind, so you want to order this. So, я хочу. If you want to say it in a more polite way, for example, you're in a very high-end restaurant, and so you want to be polite with the waiter, so you could say, я бы хотел заказать. I would like to order. Я бы хотела заказать чашечку кофе. I would like to order a cup of coffee. That would sound much nicer. Basically the same with the mother. You can say in an official way, отец, your father, твой отец. Or you can say in a more friendly way, твой папа, your father, твой папа. Твой папа любит рыбалку? Does your father like fishing? Твой папа любит рыбалку? Взять, to take. Я могу тебя взять с собой. I can take you with me. Извините. I'm sorry and excuse me. If you say I'm sorry, you can say извините. Like you're really sorry about something you've done. But you can say excuse me, like you stepped on somebody's foot in a train. You can say ой, извините. Сестра. Have you met his sister? She is very nice. Ты знаком с его сестрой? Она очень приятная девушка. You can say, give me please. Дай мне, пожалуйста. Дай мне, пожалуйста. Or you can say, давайте. It's a bit different meaning, means let's do something. Давайте. Давайте пойдем гулять. Let's go for a walk. I'd like to give you a piece of advice. Я хочу дать тебе совет.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.